I can do pretty much every shooting technique there is in football. Curve shot, rocket, chip, low driven, back heel, pretty much whatever there is except one, and that's knuckleball. Well, I can do a knuckleball, but I haven't mastered it. So today we're actually going to go to the field and master the knuckleball. We're going to see how many shots I have to take to actually get the trick right. And then we're going to talk about some myths and conspiracies about maybe you have to place the ball a certain way, you have to stand at a certain angle, all that kind of stuff. So let's see how long it's going to take me to actually master this technique, and then we're going to answer those questions sometime during the video. So let's head on to the field. All right, guys, so I'm here at the field, and it's kind of empty, as you can see. So it's and it's got goals and everything. So I'm gonna have everything set up, and we're just gonna get right into the whole shooting thing and the technique, and let's see how this goes, bro. All right. So I was getting the balls kind of hard, no diddy. So I have 5 here right now. I did break the pin when I was doing this one right here. This one, I broke the pin. I think the head is somewhere. Where is that head? Right here. So right now I only have, the only ball that's not hard right here is this one, which I'm still gonna use, but I have 4 hard balls. Again, no diddy. That's the only one that's not hard, but it'll work. I'm gonna set up the tripod right now. I'm gonna set it up. Let's get started with the technique, huh? Alright. Now I'm gonna go my right foot because power, and well, let's go start it. Alright, so I've already taken 3, and this is starting to look bad, I'm not gonna lie. Let me move this back a little bit. Let's hit it from the center. Alright, so I've taken on my test shots. I think it's absolutely time we start doing the technique. Let's see how many shots it's actually going to take until I can actually hit a knuckleball. I don't know what number I'm at, but I'm pretty sure that wasn't enough. But I'm gonna hit that again. You guys let me know what you saw though. Hold on. Get that again, man. Do that again. Not as good as the previous one, but it's kind of soft, but I still gotta use it either way just because, numbers. I've hit 2 in a row already. I just need to go with third one. I have hit 3 after, 4 like that. Let's see. So I don't really know how many shots I have to take. I'm not really keeping count, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do like a time on the video. Pretty familiar with what technique I use. I know where I hit the ball. I know where I hit the ball. I just need to keep applying that same technique, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the same results every time. I could be wrong though, but let me get the balls back here, and then let's go another round. So I'm gonna go with the same formula. I'm gonna go 5 more rounds. See if I can get the same results back to back 5 times. If I don't, well, I'm not gonna get everything 100% every time, but if I do get 3 out of 5, then I'm pretty sure I'm familiar with what I'm doing. It's sad to say, but I think the underpump ball is probably the best out of all these. That's the one that gives me like the most consistent result. Now I'm gonna go 5 more rounds, and then I'm gonna switch it up to like maybe a right or left, and we'll see what changes. Let's do 5 more rounds. Hopefully I can hit a clean one. Yeah, that was clean. Not gonna lie, that was clean. There was a speed to it. So I gotta say these though. I pretty much know the technique now. I haven't mastered it, but I know what technique to use, where to hit the ball, how to hit the ball, where to run it from. Now this is going straight up. We're gonna try different sides of the field to see how that turns out. Alright, so we're gonna start with this angle. We're gonna hit the ball anywhere in the ball. Just try to give it that little knuckle, that little movement, and let's see how this turns out. Let's try this 5 more times. If it doesn't work, we're gonna go to the next side of the field. Let's try from the other side of the field and see how that works out. One thing I'll tell you though, when you're hitting the ball, you have to hit it, from what I know, and from the ones you have to hit it from this side of your foot, like anywhere around here at the center. I guess that's how it's gonna, give it that no spin. But from what I've learned today is that you have to hit the ball, I guess, from the center, and also you have to do like a direct run up. You can't go from an angle. You can't run from an angle. If you want, like, you hit a curve to it, you have to go like directly at the ball and then just give it that little power shot to it, and it's gonna give it that movement mid-air. I'm gonna go one last round, see how many I can get out of 5, and we're gonna call it the end of the video. Like I said, the same technique. You just hit it from, I guess, that part of your foot, or just like have the ball dead center. Let's see, that's what I gathered from all the shots that I've taken. Let's see if I can apply that same problem and then I did say 3 clean knuckle shots out of the 5. If I don't get it, well, there's always another day. I'm not going to spend the whole day out here just taking shots. But let's see how many I can get out of 5, and then we're just going to another video. That's it for the end of the video, guys. So I just got home from practice and I'm tired, bro. I'm exhausted, man. All that shooting and running and practice, they added a whole bunch of extra stuff. But so that's it for the video, guys. Let me know how I did, man. Look, if you know how to do a knuckleball and you're in the comment section, like, drop a comment, like, let me know how I did. Let me know if my shots were bad, good, somewhat, likely. Let me know if you even considered me hitting a knuckleball at all, because I did see the movement. I've rewatched the video and I saw like my camera placement was off, but for some of them you could actually see the ball movement. so forgive me for that. I am gonna drop a part 2 to that video. I'm gonna share my improvements, and I'm gonna, you know, I mean, I want you guys to make you guys will be the judge. You let me know if I actually improved, or I got bad, or I got worse. But I know the technique now. I know how to place my leg, and I know how to hit the ball. So in part 2, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be hitting more knuckleballs than I actually did today. So, but anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this, you know, firsthand, seeing someone going out there to learn something and something that you want to learn as well, you know, make sure you like the video, comment where you are, if you're an expert at knuckleball, if you're a beginner, if you're starting to learn it, if you are, you know, somewhere in between, you know, if you're like me, that you hit it sometimes but you can't really hit it when you want to hit it, you know, because that's where I'm at. Let me know, man. Let me know your level in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in next video, and peace out.